Hello, my name is Doyle. I'm the president of Doyle Equipment Manufacturing in Palomar, Missouri. Doyle Equipment was established in 1951, and today we are releasing the first 24-ton incline axis rotary blender. The 24-ton matches up to our auto batch system, and what we're accomplishing here is basically we can load approximately 10 ton per minute out of the 24-ton and load trailers, hopper bottoms in basically one load. Over here we actually brought in a 5-ton, and back in 1961 Doyle was the first in the industry to introduce the incline axis concrete style rotary blender. And so it just shows the size difference between a 5 and a 24-ton. The rotary blenders built today in 5, 6, 8, 10, 13, 16, and 24-ton. Doyle has a complete line of blending, conveying, spreading, tinning products. We are currently in over 70 countries of the world in blending equipments. And we've had a great turnout here today at the MAGIE show here in Bloomington. We'd just like to say thank you to all of our customers out there, and if it wasn't for our customers, we wouldn't be here.